In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here click on language and region. And now you can smoothly add some language that you would like to apply by tapping on add a language, then select the one that you would like to apply, slide it up to the first place, and from now on, as you can see, you've got this brand new language applied. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just perform the same action. And this is it, that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.